What's going on, you guys, and welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you how you configure OBS, well, the best way, okay? There's basically how to show you all the different parts, and if you want to skip to a specific part, I will put that in the description so you can skip to that part, alright? The first thing we're gonna check out is the stream labels. So I'm pretty sure a lot of people are really interested in this kind of thing that I'm gonna show you. So first of all, you need to choose whatever you want, and from what I know, I think there's just this one. This is a text GDI plus, which makes it really more customizable if you want to like have a more cooler looking text, you know. So let's name this one most recent donator. Click OK, and what I'm gonna show you is actually my Twitch related stuff, so it's not gonna be subscribers related. It's just about, and you can choose whatever my favorite is agency FB and bold and 72 in resolution. You can put whatever you want up here if you want a higher font resolution, so you can have a bigger text, you know. And in here we're gonna do read from file. Click browse, and this folder here I have prepared. You just make a new folder called Streamlabs, and when you're gonna use stream labels, you can choose this folder that you want all the text files to be in, basically. And let's go down to the M area. So it's gonna be most recent. Let's see, most recent donator. There we go. And it shows my name is Dudge. It's the most recent one. And you can modify this however you want, but I recommend you don't adjust it like this. You go into the properties and you choose basically the font's size over here if you want to change the size. So you have to be more picky and stuff, because this is the actual size of it in the I think this is 720p in resolution for this OBS software, yes, because I could only do that last time. So that's basically the reason why. So that's most recent donator, and if you want to edit and stuff, there's a lot of options in here, a lot of them. So I'm just gonna go through them really quick. So the first option here is color, so you can choose whatever color you want, like this one. Okay, and you got the bright blue color on that. And of course you can choose the opacity if you want it to be like faded in the background, or you want a full opacity. You can also add a gradient, and you can choose like a little bit darker blue, and you can make like two colors like that, which looks pretty nice. Well, this is too weak, I guess. I'm gonna have to make it darker. So let's just do that. Click OK. So as you can see, it's a gradient color, but yeah, currently this is small letters, so it looks kind of weird, but that's a way to do a little bit more customization. But you have to choose a little bit more of a difference in color, or else it's gonna not show that much. Alright. Oh, I forgot. Alright, so you can remove the gradient, and you can choose a background color, like background for the text. So if you want like something in the background to make it visible in your scene, you can do that. And I highly recommend to do the center of these, so it centers the text when it changes. So if you get a new recent donator, it's gonna be centered, and just expand. I'm pretty sure. I'm not really sure though. I highly recommend for the most recent donator to use the custom text extends, which means you make a custom resolution for the text, of course. So for this I use like 400, maybe more. I guess 500. No, 600 is best. So 600 there, and the height can be the same, I guess. And this will basically make it so every recent donator will be centered in the scene. So if you want it like in the middle here, it's gonna be centered when it changes. Although I recommend a higher resolution if you have longer names on your things. Hold on, I'm just gonna check something. Okay. So basically that's that. Alright, and now let me show you how to add scrolling to it, because you probably want a top donator one. donators, top donators. I'm gonna select the font because I like you choose whatever font you want, but I like this one, so 72. I'm gonna read from file, and you can see all-time top donator or donators. So you can basically choose. If I choose this one, it's gonna be SarcainSG with $36, which is awesome. Thank you for that, dude. And if you do all-time top donators, it's gonna show all the donators in your streams, basically, who donated, which is awesome too. So all you have to do is basically resize it. For some reason I can't do a custom resize, you know, when you can, well, whatever. So this is that. So you got that. I actually have mine like up in the top here. I don't know where I put my this one right now, but yeah, I have this one in the top. And if I do properties, oh yeah, no, not properties, sorry. If I go for filters, I can add a filter and add the scroll filter. What this will do is basically you can do vertical. You can either do vertical scroll speed if you want like a list of your favorite people or whatever, I don't know. But in my case I use this, and I recommend like 40 is the recommended speed in my case. Let's go for 40. There we go. So it's not too fast and not too slow. So we'll scroll on the top here for people to see while you're streaming, alright? And this custom thing is not that complicated. I'm going to show you that in a bit. But that's basically how you add like top donators and most recent donator. You need a program called Stream Labels, okay? So let me just start that program if I can find it here. Let's see. Stream. Here it is, Stream Labels. And can you please start? Takes forever. I should really prepare this before. Alright, so this one, I think it's connected to my Twitch. I'm pretty sure, yeah. So this one is connected to my Twitch account, not my YouTube though. You can connect your YouTube account, so that's really awesome. So if you go to file settings here, you can customize like this. As you can see, I customized it to add like a star, top, and the arrow showing the list, of course. And here's the how it will look and the separator for. So if you want like a little bit of space in between each donator, well, I guess not that. I guess on the beginning here. If you want like a bit of a space, this is a preview of what it will look like. So, and you can choose how many people you want to show. So let's do 2. Yes, I don't know. Let's do 5. Yeah, 5 is a highly recommended one. 10 is kind of much. If depends on how many people you want to be on your top donors thing, I guess. So that's basically how to customize, and you click save settings, and then you go cancel, and you go back in, and if it's still the same, that's good. That means it works. So that's pretty cool. Very nice indeed. All right. So it's pretty basic. You can edit every single file that you have. It shows here all the different ones, like top donor and all that stuff. So it's really awesome. It's also a program. So if you don't want to use Twitch, if I can, hold on, can I actually? I have to really pin this one on. Let's pin this. Pin this in the activity thing. Okay, so this version I currently have only has Twitch support, so you can only connect with Twitch with this. But the latest one is gonna be a connect with YouTube too, so you can do that too. For some reason it keeps doing that. I don't know what's going on. So that's basically it for Stream Labels. It's not that complicated. I guess you learned a lot now. I hope you did. So that's basically the Stream Labels part. So let me just show you guys some more custom things you can do with this. So I'll be right back. What's up guys, and welcome to the other part of the video where I will show you how to add a custom chat like this you see here on the side. It's not that complicated. You can actually easily do it. Alright, it's not that hard to do. So basically this is a customizer to make your like chat look really awesome, you know. So if you want like timestamps and all that, if you want to modify it the way you want it to be, all right. For example, here I'm gonna use my own YouTube live chat. So let me start my, go to my YouTube live thing. If it's gonna load, I'm not sure. Okay, I'm still logged in, so that's a big good sign. Okay, it takes some time for it to load. Okay, let's see. Still have to think here for some reason. Can you stop freaking... dang it. Freaking viruses, they are so annoying sometimes, but sometimes you have to live with them. Okay, so... oh yeah, I'm supposed to get the live chat. So let me click on live streaming here. It's gonna load, please. Gonna wait for the chat to show up. Thank you. I'm gonna do new chat window. I'm gonna wait for this to load, and you can copy this link here. Very easy. You go into OBS, click on the add button here, and you're gonna add a browser source. Call this chat. That's kind of basic. Wait, do all caps. Chat. I'm gonna paste in the link to the chat. So the basic one is gonna be just a plain chat right now, if you can tell. And you can do properties, and you can change the resolution. So I'm gonna do 200 in, or yeah, 200 in width, and like, I guess 400 in height. I guess that's kind of small. I'm gonna make it bigger. Let's do 400 in width and 600 in height. That's better. So here's the live chat, and you're gonna probably want to customize it, the resolution, the way you want it to fit your layout or whatever you're using. So currently this is mine, so let's see. So actually, to make this chat more customizable, you're gonna change this CSS code. Okay, you're gonna get a CSS code from, no, not that. You're gonna actually get a CSS code down here that you can copy into the chat thing. All right, so I highly recommend you keep all these the text sizes, because they are basically like the original chat. So I kind of recommend you don't change that. I did that, but I don't really recommend it. So in my case, I want to have like a gold looking color here, like an orange. That's basically gold in a way. So that's gonna be my owner or streamer kind of thing. And you can actually choose if you want the text to be on the next line. So if people have a really long name, it's gonna look better in your way, I guess. If you want to have bigger, like bigger text for the certain things. Okay, so you can also show badges, which will show basically the crown for me and the wrench for the moderators, and the sponsors will get, I don't know what they will get. I haven't actually seen that, so I don't know. Anyway, so the best thing about this is you can choose a font, although you can only choose like Google related ones, I'm pretty sure. So that's the only problem. You can choose a local font or whatever. That's kind of stupid, but that's just how it is. So you're gonna have to deal with that in this current situation here. So I'm gonna just keep it the way it is. Alright, so you can choose the colors for the names and for the messages if you want to. That's pretty cool in a way, because you can, and you can also add timestamps so you can see whenever they last wrote you a message. Okay, I don't know. Oh, you can put a background color too if you like to have a background color. I don't like the background color though. So you can choose a message background color, and yeah, it's a lot of stuff you can do. So you can have a different background color for each type of user that's actually in the stream. So there's a lot of this, like super chat, fan funding, and sponsors. If you don't have that, you don't need to focus on that. You can have some animations, so it will fade in like that. It will fade in like that, and it will animate out, remove all messages. Yes, it's pretty fast. I don't know. and you can like fade out milliseconds slide. Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna use that. This is, I'm basically preparing my own, so if you want similar you can use that. So Control A, Control C. I'm gonna go into OBS. I'm gonna click A and Control V to paste this. And if you click OK, the chat will turn invisible. Don't worry, it's working. Don't worry about that. It's just that no one has actually typed in your chat. It removes like everything that's not important in the chat. So if I go to my live thing here and I'm gonna just type like E, it's gonna show up in this live chat. It takes some time for it to show up, but that's kind of obvious. So it's kind of small. If you want to change the size, you can do that, but I like it this way because I don't want it too big. So it will show the actual live chat really cool. Like, okay, and you can see the icon here too, which is pretty nice indeed. Alright, so that's how you add a custom live chat. So I hope you guys like this part of this video, and yeah, I'm gonna continue on. I'm pretty sure there's nothing else I need to show you except for, oh, they removed it. That's nice. So it will show up and remove. Ah, I didn't know that. I haven't actually tried animations. I'm sorry about that. To not sound that great. Okay, so anyways, so the next video will be about the sub count. Okay, so stay tuned for that. I'm back again. I'm gonna show you guys how you can actually oh yeah, so you can actually add a sub count for your YouTube streaming or whatever you want. So if you paste in this link here, this is the link. Okay, I'm gonna give the actual code to modify this thing here, because currently it's just plain with the standard font here of your sub count. I highly recommend this one a whole lot more than any other ones, because this one is really easy to edit. I have a lot of videos, Jesus. Alright, so let's copy this code here, add a new browser source, click, and we're gonna type in subscriber count, click OK. I'm gonna paste in this link. So currently it will just be basic. It will show everything, but it's currently not the right color, so it will not show the text currently because it's black background right now. So I'm gonna add actually my layout image. So it's really easy to add a layout. Just choose image and do layout. Click OK. I'm gonna choose an image. I have all my stuff on my server computer right now. I moved it over there, although I lost a lot of stuff, but yeah, I forgot to put everything over there. But anyways, so let's go to, I'm pretty sure it's in images. Yeah, here's all the layouts. So I'm gonna choose my basic layout. Yeah, that's the basic one. And this is my basic layout. You can choose whatever you like. And I currently have my layout is actually 1080p, but the OBS software is currently only, hold on, there we go. My OBS software is currently only, what's it called? I don't remember. 720p. Okay, there we go. I don't know why I don't remember that. Okay, so I have a custom code. So let me just go and change that quick. I'll be right back. Okay. Alright, so now I'm back again. I got the custom code. I just had to check my other scene really quick. So let's do properties on this one. I'm gonna paste in the code here. So what this code will do is change the font text of this. So as you can see, it's now the agency FB font. To actually change the font, you have to type in the name of the agency FB right here. It says agency FB. If you want to change it to something else, you just have to retype that, do something different. Alright, and it will show you the size of the font. So if you want like a smaller font, it doesn't really matter. You need a pretty high quality one so you can actually have it similar to a normal text, you know. So if you want like a sub goal in your stream. That's basically recommended. So if you want like a white color, you just do 1 2 3 4 5 6 Fs, and that will change it to a white color. So you can do that. You can also do it another way, but this is the best way to do it. Okay, so to actually only get the text, you need to add a filter here, crop and pad, and you're gonna try to figure out. So 200, 300. Okay, let's do 280. Nope. 50. Okay, 260. It seems to be the correct one. So let's do that on left and right. Yeah, I forgot the text is kind of special, so it's kind of off center, but that's kind of expected when it's a special font, you know. So let's add the top. That's too much, so let's go for 220. Okay, maybe 230. That's good. 230. Okay, that's too much, so let's do 200. Okay, so still too much. 180 then, I guess. Looks about right, so that's cool. As you can see, I got only the text now, which is pretty cool. So if you want to add like a sub count, extra kind of stuff, you just go to text GDI, call this goal stream, well, sub goal or milestone, depends on what you want. So sub goal, I just do this as an example here. You do a slash, and you, okay, for some reason my computer keeps switching to Japanese layout. Okay, slash, like 500 is mine, so I'm just gonna change it to agency FB, the font I'm using for the actual counter, and do bold 70. Well, it's 200, so it will fit to the other one. There we go. So now I got the text here, and it's gonna be the similar size, not too close, I guess. So let me just adjust this to fit. As you can see now, so now it's supposedly the same size, I think. You just have to adjust it like that. So now it should be the same size. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. It's just so you can show your subscribers that you have a sub goal. So if they want to support you, they will subscribe and all that stuff. Bunch of bullshit. Okay, sorry. Alright, so that's how you add a sub counter. And this is recommended if you want like more of a custom sub counter. So if you don't want just a standard font, and it's already transparent, so that's really awesome if you don't want to like color key it out, you know. So it's really good that way. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little bit of a tutorial here. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I will currently do a Switch launch stream, so don't worry about that. That's gonna be so cool to do. So I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.